girl. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Myesha Delores, and I'm back with another video.
Put that thing in. I want you to work it, baby, work it, baby. Change the position, now stroke it, baby, stroke it for me, stroke it for me. I want you to vibe.
I am about to go to Pilates with my mommy. I just got ready. This is what the Pilates fit is giving. I put my weave in a braid because I just washed it. I was gonna fire on it, but I want to go to Pilates. So I got my Nike hat on, my Under Armour sports bra, just some Target leggings. So yeah, we about to be on our way to the Pilates class that I went to last time. It's called Body Rock. It's really nice. I really like the instructor. But I wanted to spend time with my mommy today, so I invited her with me. Yeah, I don't really have that much to do, so we'll see what the day takes us. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be vlogging. Come along with me, and make sure you guys follow my Instagram at the Myesha Delores. Make sure you follow my TikTok at Myesha Delores, and subscribe to my channel because this is where we lit at. Period. I see you at Pilates. Hey y'all, I'm with my mommy.
Hey, don't put me on the camera.
Damn, my hair look crazy. But we're on the way to Pilates right now.
We pay here?
I'm not sure. You got the app?
No.
I'ma do better, treat you much better, talk to you better. You can get whatever, whatever, whatever. I ain't gon' let up, I'm finna step up. I'ma love on you better, give you whatever. Don't let me down, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go, no. Don't let me, don't let me. Don't let me down, don't let me down, don't let me go, don't let me go, oh yeah.
Girl, I heard that you been hurting. Just let me know if it ain't working. I could put mad spaghettis on you on purpose. You can go half on a baby on purpose. And then maybe back, let's close all of the curtains purposely. Everything you do to me, you do it perfectly. And I be in your body like surgery. I got insomnia, I gotta pop a perky to stick, yeah. Throw that ass round in a circle, please, yeah. Throw that ass round in a circle for me, yeah. Like it's working for me, don't you show no other nigga what you learning from me, yeah.
Whatever, whatever I needed to know.
Whatever, whatever.
You show me how to get it when I had nowhere to go.
Whatever, whatever.
I wanna rock, I wanna wait it up, I wanna know what I can do.
Already expensive.
Hey y'all, so we just finished Pilates. I rated it 10 out of 10. What you rate them?
A 20 out of 10.
But yeah, I'm sweaty, I'm hot. I look a mess. I probably stink. But right now we about to get some Mexican food. This is the only like Mexican restaurant that I like so far. So yeah.
Oh, they got some good Mexican restaurants.
Why you ain't take me yet?
Inside your trunk. I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out.
I drive these suckers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all.
I'm gonna be coming here just for the street corn. Corn. So good. Then I got these burrito tacos. My mama said she don't think they look good. Talking to my camera. My mama said she don't think they look appealing, but we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna dip them. My dad make them better. They're not nasty though, but my dad do make them better. They got the real Mexicans back there. What's that? I'm spending time with my mommy.
And I appreciate it so much. It makes me really happy.
Why?
Anytime my kids come with me makes me really happy.
Aww. It's so far. Do you not like when I say fa? Or when I use slang? Why not?
I don't care.
Do you understand what I be
I
saying?
hate when you say bruh.
In a life full of sin, all I need is water. In a life full of sin. I am tired. I want to go to sleep. I want to take a nap. And she has me at Ikea. Y'all know how big Ikea is? Mom, do you know how big Ikea is? It's a mile. Excuse me.
Orders there.
And there's so many people in here. I just want to lay down. That's all I want to do. Is I just want to lay down, take a nap. But I have a mother who is just extra.
I'm looking for a shoe storage bin because me and my husband, we are going to redo us or refurbish a shoe storage and make it bigger and make it look a little bit more rustic or farmhouse like. So stay tuned. Is that how y'all do it? Look, no, I'm gonna do this. Stay tuned.
You're ugly. So I guess that's why we're here, but we're not even close to our destination and we just got here, so let's see when I'll get home to take my nap.
This is what I want for his room. This could fit.
Get it.
I'm not getting today.
You need to take a picture. Look at the little rocking chair. You're what, Mom?
Oh, see, the thing is, I wanted, okay.
This is what she always do. We did not come in here for this.
I want to get these, but I don't like the color of jeans they got.
What color you want?
Some orange, some blue, and some green. But I don't.
Girl, who taught you that? Talking about it ain't giving.
And I would do it in this type of
So it's the next day, and right now I'm about to leave the house because I have so much I need to do today. Where's my phone? I'm gonna run y'all over my to-do list. Okay, so I made me a little to-do list. It's not that much on the list, honestly. But today I gotta do my laundry. I have to go grocery shopping, which I'm about to do right now. I need to flat iron my hair because it look crazy. And then I need to edit and I need to find outfits for Atlanta because I'm going to Atlanta. And so I'm going to go to International Mall. I was going to do some online shopping, but I know for a fact that I just need to hurry up, get the pieces, pack my bag, so it can be packed on Friday because I leave on Friday night. I leave Friday night, Friday evening, but yeah. So right now we about to head out. And get into it. I'm gonna go to Starbucks first because I want to taste this drink that Cache put on her story dump. I took a picture of her and I told her like I'm gonna get this tomorrow. So let me do that and I'm gonna tag her on it because you know you gotta support your brands, you know, engage with that shit. So this is what Cache posted. She got an ice white mocha pumpkin cream foam, oat milk, 3 pumps of pumpkin syrup, and extra caramel drizzle. So that sounds good. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks now. We about to head out and then go grocery shopping, go to International Mall, come back home, laundry, hair, edit. Yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I'm at Starbucks right now and waiting in line. I don't like how my camera, like... Hello, give me 1 second, please. Okay, can I please have the venti ice white mocha?
Okay.
But could I have pumpkin cream cold foam?
No problem.
And oat milk and 3 pumps of caramel, pumpkin syrup.
2 pumps of pumpkin syrup as well?
3 pumps of pumpkin syrup, please.
Okay, no problem.
And then extra caramel drizzle.
Extra caramel drizzle, okay.
That's all.
Would that be all for you today?
Yeah, that's all.
Alright, 1027, that's the window.
Thank you. Kesha, you got me spending $10 on a motherfucking drink. Oh, what is your problem? Why are you spending $10 on a drink? I'm talking shit. Mine be $8, but 10? Pookie, you got money. You got money. Okay, Pookie. Do your shit. Do your shit, Pookie. Oh, I forgot to get my Danish. I'm mad now. Now I'm gonna have to get some Chick-fil-A. Well, Chick-fil-A not even open. Shit. I'm gonna get some Chipotle for lunch because I haven't ate anything all day. I mean, it's only like 11. It's 11:39, you know. But still, like, I didn't eat nothing all day today. I hope this drink about to be fire. Bro, I hate how the lighting is. Like, I need a freaking tripod. This drink better be fire. After I get my Starbucks, I'm gonna head to the International Mall. I have no clue, no idea what I want to wear, how I want to dress. So I'm gonna be in for a rude awakening when I get there. I'm gonna try to look for some inspo before I go into Forever 21 and Zara and H&M and stuff. But Pookie, like, why would I wait like this? Like, I always do this to myself. I always wait till the last minute to do some stuff. And now it's like, what should I do now? Because it's like, my trip, I leave on Friday. If I order from Shein or Fashion Nova, it's not going to be here. And I'm going to have to pay, like, fast shipping. I didn't even look on Shein to see if they had, like, a fast shipping option. I feel like if I order, they're going to be like, oops, hurricane. Bitch, the hurricane was 2 days, 3 days, 4 days ago. Let's see. I really like, don't feel like being in here like that. See, even if I do express shipping, it's not gonna be here until I get back. Like, but I am gonna order some clothes so I could do a haul anyway. So yeah, and I'm just gonna do standard shipping because y'all can wait. Hello. Give me 1 second. Can you scan my points, please?
Yeah.
And then I'm paying with card. With a physical card. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Why is she so dry? Ugh. I hate that for her. I'm always talking shit. Let me back up so I can take my little picture. My car too up to like too. Hello. But yeah, my mama was calling me. That don't matter. I have a camera, but my camera was overheating. But I need to just take my picture. Is this recording? Yeah, it is. But let me just take this picture real quick so I could be on my way. It's before my camera overheat again. This is actually fire. Catch how you did your dance with this one. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to go to International Mall, and I see y'all at the mall. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the mall right now, and I don't even really know what I'm looking for. I just know that I need to buy at least some pieces to put together some stuff. So, wish me luck. I'm at International right now. My friend was like, you should have went to, I don't even know what the fuck the mall is called. It's in Orlando, but I drove to Tampa instead, and I'm walking to Nordstrom's now. So I'll talk to y'all when I find some pieces. To have to expedite everything because I can't find nothing that I like. Like I had found something. I had made a cute outfit, but it just wasn't giving me. Like it just wasn't giving me. And I took it to Nala because me and her has the exact same style, and she know what I like. And she's like, no, that's not giving you. So it's just not giving me. So I don't know. It was like brown and stuff. How the fuck do I get upstairs? But it just wasn't giving. So I'm gonna go to Zara and see if they have anything. But I doubt they do. So I probably just end up expediting something off Fashion Nova, call it a day, because I'm pretty much over this at this point. I hate shopping in store. Like I absolutely hate it. Okay, so of course I didn't find anything in Zara, but I did get like a cute little idea. So I'm going to go back to Forever 21, and I found these platform boots. They're black, of course. I'm gonna buy them, and then I'm just gonna find like a cute t-shirt, a men's t-shirt that'll look cute as a dress, and get some accessories. And then as far as my other outfits, I have to find a shirt to go with. I really want some army fatigue pants because the heels I want to wear are like army fatigue, if that makes sense. And then my other outfit, I want to wear some distressed shorts with the purple and black snakeskin boots. But I don't have a top, so it's like we're back to square one basically. But that's what I'm gonna get because I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna get those platform boots I seen. I'm gonna buy some straight leg distressed pants, and I'm gonna try to find a top to go with my third outfit. If I can't find it, I'm gonna just look on Fashion Nova because at this point I'm very much over this whole fucking shopping experience, honestly. Okay, so these are the boots I was talking about. They mad cute, and I think I'm gonna get them. What is $60? Oh well, I need a size 7. Oh, these are my vibes. So these are the boots. They like that. They're cute. So we're gonna get these and try to find a t-shirt dress to go with these. Ooh. Yeah, I think I would be bothered by people staring at me, but I'm really not. I could do one of these. These is cute. Just to have something different, but I'm not doing that.
She like a nigga ballin' like he playing in the NBA.
Okay, y'all, so I end up going to International, as y'all seen in the last few clips. They didn't have anything for me. Like, I'm so agitated. But I'm gonna just go on Fashion Nova and figure it the fuck out. But anywho, right now I'm on my way to Tradewell. I'm going in the parking lot of Trader Joe's because I'm about to do some grocery shopping. And I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a hot minute, so I'm excited for that. Can't wait. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. I have a grocery list, and then I'm gonna get some chicken dumplings. I'm gonna get some other stuff that my mama asked me to get. But yeah, I'll give y'all a little haul of what I get from Trader Joe's. So yeah, I'm going to Trader Joe's and let's get into it.
When a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Tell me honest, girl, what you want from me. This ain't nothing, you keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And we like, bitch, you with their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you mean nothing to me. Boy, I want you to love.
Y'all, they got pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. I got this. They got pumpkin spice cream cheese. I got that, and then I got this too. It's gonna be so hot. And then my list is almost done, honestly. I got creamer. This is everything I got so far. And I'm gonna have to go to Publix to get the rest. I gotta get some chicken breasts, bananas. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm gonna stop recording now because there's mad people staring at me. And I'll show you what I got when I got to the house.
Always I told you that you be a
Okay, y'all, so I just got done shopping, finally, grocery shopping, all that, and I got me some sushi. So let's do a little mukbangy bang. I have to give me some crunchy stuff. I forgot what it's called, but I call it crunchy stuff. I thought it was called tempura or something like that, but the man ain't know what the fuck I was talking about, so he gave me this, but this don't even look like tempura, so I don't even, he was black. I don't think he knew what he was doing, honestly, but that's neither here nor there. I got my mother loving sushi cookie, and I had to give me some fresh crunchy stuff. Just gonna sprinkle her like so, like that. And I got fish eggs on my stuff. I get fish eggs on my stuff. If you don't, you're a weirdo. If you don't get fish eggs, you're weird. So, yeah. Soy sauce. But okay, let me take my little picture, and then I'm gonna take my first bite with y'all, and then I'm gonna holler at y'all at the crib. But let me take my picture first. Then I got me some eel sauce. They call it sushi sauce, but it's called eel sauce. And I got me some spicy sauce too. Just sit these right here. Here they go. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take this corner one right here, and then take my sauces. Let me get some eel sauce too. Someone's texting me. Okay, first bite. Cheers. Mmm. I'm so glad I had to make this fresh for me. This shit is fire. Look at that. Both of my sauces. Okay. Fire. Okay. I'm gonna mess this up, eat real quick, and I'm gonna see y'all at the crib. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, dog. Lay down. You wanna help me put away the groceries? I brought him some hot dogs for lunch. That chicken at? Yep. Okay, y'all, so I just got back from the grocery store and I put the stuff away. I just wanted to show y'all a little stuff that I got that I love very much. So this is the coffee I usually get. It's called BZ cold brew. I get it from Publix, and sometimes they have them. No, I got this from my Sprouts, but sometimes they have them at Publix. But yeah, and then I brought, where'd it go? I brought this pumpkin pie cream cheese. It's gonna be so fire. I can't wait. And then I also got these pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. These is gonna slap. I also brought these pumpkin spice almond creamer. As y'all can't tell, I love pumpkin spice. This is my favorite seasoning. And then I just brought this kombucha because I always wanted to try it. I brought the berry lemonade. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. And then I usually eat these throughout the week just so I can have like the refrigerator gonna start beeping. But just so I can have like my grains and my protein, I get these kind granola bars. I get the different kinds. I don't get the same one all the time. Like, they're just always kind granola bars. So yeah. And then I wanted to show y'all these. These right here, so fire. Like, so good. I used to get the Trader Joe's ones, but I had one to Trader Joe's and it was cracking in there. Like, cracking. Like, it was a line to even get in a parking lot. I walked in and walked right back out because, no, honey, no. And then I always get these bagel thins because I don't like thick bagels. So I try to, and these are less calories. It's only 110 calories. So I usually get the bagel thins. Sometimes, most of the time I get the everything but the bagel seasoning bagels, but they didn't have that. Then I also, no cheese for you. You put that in there. Put it in there. Put it in there. Drop it. Drop. Close. Close it. Close it. There you go. Bye. Bye. On the garbage. Go. Have the box somewhere. What do you want, Bubba? What do you want? I just want to be in my face. Oh, my nail Phoenix. Go. Just go. Please stop. Hurt my freaking nails here.